Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on your Gamerant account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gamerant.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gamerant website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and then enter your email address and your password, or proceed forward with your social accounts. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, in order to change your email address, click on the menu icon at the top left corner and then click on My Profile. You will then be taken into your profile page, from which you can click on the Edit Profile button. You will now be able to change your profile picture, edit your display name, as well as your first and your last name. Go ahead and type in your first as well as your last name within the given section and then click on Save Your Changes. Once you click on this button, your name within your account will be updated right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on your Gamerant account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.